Hello and welcome back to Complete HTML course. In this lesson we will know what is HTML. So let's get started. If you want to be a web designer or a web developer, then you must have knowledge about HTML. When you open any website, that all websites have HTML. So what is HTML? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It makes the structure of each and every website. The computer communicates with the internet through a computer language called Hypertext Markup Language. It's the short form of HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. I'll give you a quick example. Open any browser. This is the web browser and this is the web page. Its structure is made by HTML, hypertext that you click to jump from document to document. That means hypertext is the process of linking objects to each other so that when one object is clicked, the linking object can be viewed. Like this. Hypertext that you click to jump from document to document. That means hypertext is the process of linking objects to each other so that when one object is clicked, the linking object can be viewed. Like this. It's the hypertext linking object. This object or text is linked with another web page. I'll click on this text. As I click, the linked web page is open. It's the hypertext that you click to jump from document to document. The Hypertext Markup Language was created by Tim Berners-Lee. HTML is not programming language at any level. It's a markup language for creating web pages, documents, and it's the most widely used language to write web pages or web applications. HTML consists of a series of elements, and elements are represented by tags, and tags have attributes. HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. For example, I open the text editor and create a basic web page. I'll write here paragraph tag. It's the paragraph tag. It's the element and it has an opening tag and closing tag. And between content. I will explain in details in coming lessons. Let's go ahead. As the viewer of web page, you don't see HTML. It is hidden from your view. You see only the results. But most web browsers allow to view the HTML code for any web page. If you want to see the HTML code of particular web page in Chrome browser, then go to the More tool and click on the Developer tool. Or simply right click on the page and select the Inspect option. Or you can use a shortcut key F12. It will open the Developer tool. Different browsers have their own shortcut keys or other way to open Developer tool. Let's go ahead. You can see there is a lot of advanced stuff here. But now we will look at the elements only. You can see here the HTML of this web page. And these are the elements of this HTML page. It's a hypertext markup language and it creates the structure of website or a web page. You can see here. It's a very beautiful and very nice markup language and definitely you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.